Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am doing a reaction of one of, I think, Africa's greatest comedians that I've seen in a while. Where is Clint da Drunk? Coming out of Nigeria. I think he was in Ghana when he was doing this. So here we go. First video in a long time. It's Clint da Drunk. Oh man, like I think I watched this video on a not smartphone. Okay, so let's see if it still shakes me, if it's still funny to me.
Honestly, just 1 minute. You're very stupid. You're an idiot. I'm telling you, you're very uncomfortable.
You can tell this was like back in the day, man. Look at what they're wearing there.
What is wrong with you? You are an idiot. You are very. In fact, in short, I cannot speak with you at this moment. Honestly,
You know
excuse
what?
me.
Then I'm gonna go.
Sorry, I was on the phone.
Oh, all right.
And that was like new thing, you know what I mean? So wow.
You got me there.
Now I'm trying to show you how stupid we people can be nowadays. With the earpiece, especially the Bluetooth, when they are facing this way and it's the other way, and they are shouting, you think you are the victim.
I'm glad I'm not. Ladies and gentlemen, Clint da Drunk.
Branches throughout West Africa. Honestly, I thought I was the only person that was stupid. Honestly, I mean it. I know I'm a very stupid person. I accept it.
It's perfect.
Very stupid. Very, very idiotic. I am useless. And you are my friends. And they say, show me your friends and I'll tell you what you beautiful. Please, I can't come to Ghana and go home free. I must contest in this problem. All of you must judge me today. If you don't judge me, honestly, I'll look straight to you and judge you. If you like, look cool and beautiful like you people have been looking since, you must judge me today. Because what will be tied to if I judge you here? Highest, you cannot even arrest me because if you take me to court, I'll tell you that I said it under the influence of alcohol. So at this point in time, I'm going to sing. Sorry, what's the past party people of sing? Past party people. What past tense of sang is what? Past tense of sang is sing. That one is present continuous. We are looking for the adjectival phrase of the metaphor so that the simile will become an adjectival phrase. I don't even understand what I'm saying and you're there clapping for me. I don't know who is fooling who here. Please, I'm coming on top of the... When these people are trying. Do you know, imagine someone dancing and tumbling. This one is summer tumble. I'm going to sing my own I'm going to do my own music personally.
Yeah.
But you know, first of all, put your hands together for the Ghanaian musicians you have. Put your hands together. I came all the way from Nigeria and God knows it's been a long time I enjoy music. We enjoy the music. Am I lying? Desmond Elliot. Am I lying? He'll confess.
Still fine.
Shegu, I don't know why they use I for your first name, Irene, because of the eyes. I told you Dracula bites this man and turned to vegetarian. Dracula cannot eat blood again because the fearfulness of his face. Evil spirit came and saw, you know these things they do in all these Nigerian films. They do juju will come and attack you. You know, sometimes if you're not careful and you're acting that role, it will attack you real life. This man acted the role, he did not pray. Evil spirits came to his house and saw him, and the evil spirit shouted, blood of Jesus.
Oh man, look at those guys. They were so young then. How old is this thing?
Put your hands together for him. But please, without further waste of time, I want to do my own music. Now, why Nigerian music has not been going too far? You are wonderful. All this.
Oh, and now the Nigerian music is everywhere. They took his advice.
Reggae musicians here, please. I'm very glad to meet you people here. You have been shouting all these things since we started this program. You're wearing dark glasses inside the house at night. What is wrong with you? Are you addicted to criminology? So the reason why Nigerian reggae music has not been making wave is because of this. Listen carefully. After preparing a beautiful reggae music, they go backstage, smoke weed. It will block their brain. The lyrics of the song will evaporate with the smoke of the weed. Then when they come out on stage, they are confused. They look at the crowd. They are not even seeing anybody. Then at that point, everybody's name will turn to man. Just like men here are called Charlie. Charlie. Charlie.
That's in Ghana.
Charlie. Charlie. There are so many Charlie here. I wonder why you people didn't use Moses or Andrew. But see, then everybody's name will turn to man. That's why when they come out, they shout, I man. And if I say I man, you answer, yeah man. I man. Yeah man. So all of you smoke weed. At this point, they now look at the bass guitar person and they call him bass guitar man. Listen, you hear the answer. Once they say bass guitar man, you hear bass guitar man. That's the type of bubbling sound from the brain transferred to the fingers to the guitar. Bass guitar man. He's still playing it. At this point, you tell him, I want you to play something like this for me, man. It goes like this. You can hear this. It's not so reggae shows. Don't play any other thing. Nobody play anything. Now the person with another kind of madness, we call it rhythmical madness, is the person playing keyboard. The rhythmical madness comes and goes, comes and goes. It doesn't stay steady. Just like Nigerian NEPA. It goes like this. Listen carefully. Rhythmical madness. Listen carefully. It goes like Nwaka, 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 nwaka. You see it? Rhythmical madness. Reduce the velocity. Reduce the velocity. I mean the volume. Beautiful. You can hear it. Then the person playing the guitar has a madness that we describe as multiple ndralulu in random motion. Don't ask me the meaning. I don't even know the meaning. Whatever he plays will enter. Watch it. Or you enter. Play something. Now the person with the greatest atrocity of madness is the person playing the big drum, the drums. You know, madness does not come immediately. It comes slowly, then graduates to real madness. So when he plays, he'll play like madness, like this. Listen, he'll play ba, brakata, then graduation. Watch what I mean. Are you ready? A one, a two.
I wonder if this was planned or he just did that because he knew they had really good musicians on that day.
Is this not reggae music? Now bring it down, man. Bring it down. You see, at this point the person singing is confused. He doesn't know how to sing. He'll come out, he's not even seeing the crowd. Now to open the brain that was blocked by weed, he'll dance one red Indian dance. No wonder they called it in Indian hemp. So that's one red Indian dance, something like this to clear the brain. Roll it, come on. And when they do it and fly their head backwards, the brain will open, the eye will clear, then they will see the crowd. Out of surprise, they want to shout, "Chai!" But they will encode the shouting. It will become musical shout. Something like this. Cha 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 cha. Then they are thinking of, don't worry, wait, I don't have too much time. Don't clap until after the music. Now they are thinking of what to sing. They remember one day they are walking down the road, hit leg on stone, music is set. No lyrics will set itself. They'll start like this. Roll it from me. Just the other day, I say just the other day. Why are they repeating if they know what they are singing? I say just the other day. Oh gosh. I say just the other day. Then to further confuse you, they will now sing.
Like this is like a full song already, full reggae song. Oh man, like those days.
Does that have any meaning? They're still singing. I said just the other day, I came out of my own house. Sorry, is it your house they'll come out from before? Don't they have house? And they are singing it as song. I said just the other day, I came out of my own house. Then I saw my friend, he was standing down the road. Does it concern you? So I decided, network problem. I decided to do what? Just listen. At this time, if you don't invite the backup singers will invite themselves. Weed is talking. In fact, weed is singing. That's why I love these people singing here. Listen. So I decided to go and meet my friend. I didn't know there was a stone on the floor. So I hit my leg on stone. Join the backup. If you smoke weed, join the backup. I hit my leg on stone. Even you smoke. I hit my leg on stone. And you're still singing. Your mouth is shaped like. I say I hit my leg on stone. Okay, after that, what happened? Now at this time, just 1 minute. At this time, bring it down. At this time, there's nothing else to sing. They'll confuse you with words you'll never understand. They'll say something like this. They'll say, You know, some says la some say whoa. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying. You know me dan bim hey. Rasta fried rice. Last year I ate it, but it's scatter. Look why. Now see pure confusion. Watch this. They'll start a sentence and they'll not finish it. Like this. They'll say, I said that. What did they say? Ladies and gentlemen, I love this man.
That was golden, man. That was.
You're amazing.
Wow! And to your greatest surprise, since we came to this place, we've been using. In fact, the person that brought us. How do you say patience in Ghana? Huh? There, that's her name. Jibon. Thank you. That's the lady. Please put your hands together for her.
Put your hands together for
we
patience.
came in. We've been using Ariba.
Since you came.
I'm telling you, all our phone numbers are Ariba.
There you go.
No network problem, just Ariba.
Only the best, ladies and gentlemen. Clint da Drunk.
Wow. So yeah, that was Clint da Drunk, all the way from Nigeria. I wonder where he is. I've never seen his material after this. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.